Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend requests on Clash of Clans. To accept friend requests in Clash of Clans, first of all, open up the Clash of Clans application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the blue button at the top left corner. This will open up your profile section from where you'll need to tap on social at the top. Now select the Friends Request button and if you've received any friend request, you will see a list of them. To accept the friend request, just tap on the green button. To reject the friend request, tap on the red cross icon. I'm just going to accept it, so let me tap on the green button and click on OK. And now get back to the Friends tab and you will be able to see your friend in the list. So that's how you can easily accept friend requests in Clash of Clans. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.